Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. So today we're gonna learn how to schedule Instagram post in advance. So for that, open your browser, search for MetaSuite, click on the first link here, the Facebook one. If you want, you can just go through it and click on the get started. So this is my page. This is my page name Social Vikram, and this is my Instagram. So yeah, now I want to schedule Instagram post, right? So I have to click on this create post. As you can see here, the both boxes are checked, the Facebook page one and as well as Instagram accounts also. So I just want to schedule for only Instagram ID. So I will uncheck this box and I will be uploading our image. I'm a very big anime nerd, so like I love this picture. And yeah, there is an exception, like Instagram post can't exit 10 photos. So my net is very slow. So yeah, so you can see the preview also right here after it is posted. So you can like write any caption right here, like Itachi Uchiha and some hashtags like Itachi Naruto then anime. That's it. And yeah, now like I want to schedule it, right? If you want to publish it, you can just publish it right here by clicking this option and click on this publish. It will be immediately published right now. And if you want to schedule it like me, just click on it, click on the date when you want to schedule it, and click on the time when you want to do it. So I will be clicking on schedule. And voila, it has been scheduled. You will get this tick mark and you scheduled a post through Meta Business Suite. So this is the proof that it has been successfully scheduled. So just wait for 20 minutes and after that you will be seeing that in your ID the scheduled post has been posted. Isn't it good, right? It's so simple. And yeah, you will be getting this calendar also where you can like see which post has been scheduled on which date. It's a good thing, you know. So yeah guys, so that's all for today. If you like this informative video, leave like, share, comment and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.